Hey, what's up? Welcome everybody. In this video, I will show you on how to clear cache on Google Chrome. Deleting the cache data helps to troubleshoot, helps to increase the loading time of web pages, and increases the performance of your computer. You want to know how? Let's start. First, open Google Chrome. Click the three vertical dots. Scroll down and find more tools. From there, select Clear Browsing Data. You will see three options: browsing history, cookies and other site data, cache image and files. You have to select cache image and files. You have the options. Look for time range. You can select last hour, last 24 hours, or etc. You can also select all time if you want to remove all time. Alright, so let's select last hour and then clear data. There you go. Alright, so hope you followed the process. So thank you so much for watching.